welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today we are going to be reviewing Sienna Naturals, and this is the brand that our girl Issa Rae has been supporting and hyping up for a while now. So it's highly anticipated to see how these products work. This is the card that was in the box. And it also came with a really cute like Spotify playlist that you can scan to your phone and listen to the Wash Day playlist. So I thought that was really cute. So this is the box that the products came in. I love the nice clean look. It came with shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in, and oil, and also 2 satin scrunchies. So I'm really excited to try these products because not only do we love Issa Rae actually wears her natural hair on a regular basis, so she knows our struggles. She has type 4 hair, so I figure if she loves them, we probably will enjoy some of them as well. So let's jump in the shower and get this wash day started. So we're going to start off with the Hapi shampoo. Of course, you can go to Sienna Naturals website to get a full list of ingredients. Some of the key ingredients are baobab oil, aloe vera juice, lavender oil, geranium oil, honeysuckle flower extract, and vitamin E. This shampoo has no silicones, parabens, fragrance, mineral oil, petroleum, SLS, SLES, phthalates, or formaldehyde. It had like a nice gooey type of texture in my hands, and then once I put it into my hair, it just felt like a regular shampoo. It did have a decent amount of moisture upon applying it, and it had an amazing lather. I didn't even have to put more shampoo on my hands for me to go to the front of my hair. So I decided to use less product on the other side to see how well the lather would be, and the lather was just as good with me even using less product. So this says that it's a crucial cleansing step in achieving healthy hair, as product, oil, and sweat buildup can clog scalp pores and block moisture from your hair. This moisture-rich foaming cleanser gently removes dirt and helps restore hair's natural texture so you can finally get hair goals without harsh chemicals. So not only was the smell nice and earthy and relaxing, this lather was one of the best I've gotten in a while. So this is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the shampoo. My hair did have some nice curl definition. This is a nice gentle cleanser with decent moisture, not a stripping shampoo, just a nice gentle cleanse. So now I'm going in with the Plant Power Protein and Moisture Repair Mask. It has baobab oil, coconut oil, hydrolyzed protein, murumuru seed butter, tangerine oil, orange oil, bergamot oil, vanilla fruit extract, eucalyptus, spearmint leaf oil, lavender oil, and sandalwood. The application of this deep conditioner actually felt really good. It felt nice and softening on my curls. It felt like it was going to be very moisturizing. It glided through my hair super duper easy. I made sure to get it all on my scalp because my roots get really dry, so I definitely wanted to get it there. If this is where you detangle, this does have a decent amount of slip. You can definitely do some good finger detangling. If you use a detangling tool, just dip your head under the water and it'll probably give you some more slip. But it did have a nice decent amount of slip. It says to apply a plastic shower cap for 5 to 10 minutes and let it penetrate. Okay, you guys, so let's check out the deep conditioner. Okay. It definitely feels more strengthening than moisturizing. Even when I was rinsing it out, like it felt okay. Like it didn't feel super soft and buttery and silky like some other deep conditioners. It's okay. Like I feel like I got some decent curl definition, but my hair isn't like super duper moisturized, which, you know, I like a moisture protein balance, and this does say that it's a protein and moisture repair mask, so you will get more of a strengthening feeling than a moisturizing feeling. So I can already tell though that my hair is starting to dry up, so I can tell that it's definitely more strengthening than moisturizing because my hair is starting to dry up so fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in 4 sections so we can get the leave-in in right away. So now we're gonna go in with the Do Magic Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Some of the key ingredients are water, coconut oil, baobab oil, shea butter, VTMS, glycerin, geranium oil, lavender oil, honeysuckle flower extract, and vitamin E oil. This has no silicones, parabens, fragrances, mineral oil, petroleum, SLS, SLES, phthalates, or formaldehyde. It says this powerful leave-in botanical blend hydrates, softens, strengthens, and protects against moisture loss, all without leaving a filmy trace. Hair stays remarkably soft and smooth even after styling. Then I'm going in with the Lock and Seal Anti-Breakage Styling Oil. Some of the key oils are grapeseed oil, coconut oil, castor oil, rosehip oil, jasmine, and orange oil. It says to apply to wet or damp hair after leave-in conditioner and before styling products. Pro tip is to reapply throughout the week to smooth curls, boost shine, and add elasticity. While hair is still damp, apply Lock and Seal. Reminder, a little goes a long way. Add the styling products of your choice to finish the look. Okay, you guys, so I have the leave-in all applied. I really wish it was a styler in here so I can tell you guys like how long lasting the moisture is, like from having it on for a few days. But I can definitely tell you how it feels upon application. So first we're going to start off with the Hapi shampoo. This shampoo wasn't bad. It had a nice decent level of moisture. It had the most amazing lather, like it lathered so well. Had a nice like earthy smell, kind of like you can smell the lavender oil in it. So the shampoo wasn't bad. Definitely a little goes a long way, and this will last you a very long time. But it was just okay. It didn't do anything to wow me, but it definitely wasn't like stripping or anything like that. So the shampoo is okay. As far as the plant power protein and moisture repair mask, y'all, this was like a yes putting it on, but when I rinsed it out, it was a no. What happened? Putting it on, it had a nice decent amount of slip. It just felt super moisturizing. It started to soften my curls right away. Like I was like, oh, this is about to be so good. But when I rinsed it out, I just didn't have that same feeling. Now, it does say it has protein in it, and I definitely felt that it was more of a strengthening mask. It definitely could have gave me some more moisture, though, because when I got back in here, my hair started to dry up right away. Like, it definitely was desperate for some moisture after this. So, this was okay, but I wouldn't repurchase this. The Do Magic Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I actually do like this product upon applying it. It has a nice amount of slip. It feels like it's nice and moisturizing. It did give me some nice definition to my curls. And I really felt that it was putting the moisture back into my hair from my hair being so like strengthened and kind of drying from the deep conditioner. So this really did make my curls feel better. I definitely like the way it applied, and this combo together felt really good. This is nice and lightweight. It says a little goes a long way. I probably used more than I needed to, but I like the way it feels, especially with this. So this combo does feel really good. I can't attest to how long the moisture is going to last with this because there's no styler, but I do like the way they feel going on my hair. I like the texture of this, nice, like creamy, but lightweight, really lightweight, and it does have that slippery feel to it. So although I can't attest to how long the moisture is going to last from this, if I was to tell you guys to purchase anything, if they did it separately, it would be the leave-in. The leave-in and the oil combo really felt good to me. Hopefully I can get a really nice moisturized style for the week from this leave-in and oil. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you can see what styler I decide to use with this leave-in, and then I'll also be able to let you know how well it kept my hair moisturized. Please like this video, share this video, and I hope you've already subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.